This is our 20-foot 2-frequency dome. It has the same square footage as our classic 20-foot model, 300 square feet or 28 square meters. However, being a 2-frequency as opposed to 3, it is lighter, faster to assemble, and ultimately more portable. The center of the dome measures 10 feet high. With our heavy-duty steel tubing, this dome weighs approximately 600 pounds. On average, it can be assembled in 2 to 6 hours with a crew of 2 to 4 people. We can achieve virtually any snow and wind load requirements using a heavier tubing size. Included with your 20-foot 2-frequency dome package is the frame, anchoring hardware, and cover. Each cover comes with 4 removable round windows, 2 ventilation roll-ups, a large panoramic bay window, and a weather-tight zipper door. The covers are made from heavy-duty architectural fabric and can last up to 20 years. Custom features such as skylights, extra doors, and windows are available. It is perfect for any glamping resort or a nomadic lifestyle. We offer deck plans to suit your needs, and our team is always here to help if you have any questions.